Hello.
Jambo.
Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili All Night Time Swahili with
Row 8. 8 and 11. 8 and 11. 8.
and Fresh Mommy. Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili. Today we are going to be covering the church words again. We covered them last time.
Kanisa.
And churches.
Kanisa.
Vizuri sana. That is very good. All right. So we are going to review again. It takes a little bit to learn new words, so we are going to be practicing them again before we add new words. Do you guys remember some of the words we covered? Yeah. Right?
Bwana, Mungu,
Eucharisti.
Something like that. Ikristi. Ikristi.
Remember A, E, I, O in Swahili. Yeah?
Ikristi.
Vowels.
Ikristi.
Ekaristi.
Ikristi.
No, say we are learning words. We are in the learning mode.
Mungu Baba Mwana Kristo.
Without
Mungu
looking.
Baba. He doesn't remember anything. Mungu Baba Mwana Kristo. That's because you read. Ekaristi.
No, that's really
Baraka.
good. Baraka means
Blessing.
beautiful. What else? Uzima.
Life.
Zambi. Zambi is what?
Nabi.
What is Zambi?
Nabi is prophet.
Nabi is what?
Prophet.
Prophet.
But I know the answers to it.
Yeah,
Zambi.
keep going. No, this is
Zambi.
good. If you remember the word, next is just remember what it means. That's beautiful. Good job.
Bikira.
Bikira is?
I don't know.
I love it. Stop shaking the chair too much. All right.
Me too, man.
Oh, and what's that?
I don't know.
I love it. I'm sorry.
That's what I said.
What is it?
Yeah, apostle and
Apostles.
I
Yeah.
know.
Sit up a little bit.
Salam.
All right. Awesome. So now we are going to relearn those words again. Just make sure that we remember them. All right?
Yeah.
Okay. What is God in Swahili? Mungu. What is Father?
Bwana.
What is Father?
Oh, Baba.
Baba. And God is also Bwana. Okay, so you're right in that sense. What is Son?
Mwana. Binguni.
No, Son.
Mwana. I know it's not to that. Mwana. Mwana.
Bwana is correct. What are you saying, kid?
I was thinking Binguni or something like that.
Yeah, no, Binguni is what?
I know it started with
Eh?
that.
Binguni is heaven. That's what you're thinking. Okay, so Son is Mwana. All right. What is Christ?
Priesthood.
What is Christ?
Priesthood.
Christo. What is Holy Spirit?
I don't know.
Kwa jina la Baba na Mwana na Roho Mtakatifu.
Roho Mtakatifu.
So Roho Mtakatifu
is Holy Spirit.
Holy Spirit. Good job. What is virgin? Bikira. And
Maria.
Bikira Maria is Virgin Mary. Good job. What is apostle and apostles?
Mtume and mitume.
Mtume and mitume. Mtume, like, do you remember the word tuma in Swahili?
I don't know.
Tuma is what? Send. So
people
this is like somebody who is sent. Mtume. Somebody, one person and many people. So apostle is mtume and mitume. A prophet is Nabi. All right, good job. What about devil or Satan? Do you remember that or did you see? Did you see?
I didn't see.
Okay. So devil is, what is devil is?
Devil is Shetani
or Ibilisi. Good job. What is a prayer?
Ombi or Salah.
Oh, that's what you were saying. Salah earlier. I thought you were talking about Salah like the soccer player.
I don't know.
So Salah is a prayer or ombi. All right. A prayer is Salah or ombi. What about Sin. What is sin? There's no vibanzi. What is
Vibanzi is fries.
Thank you.
I'm
So there is no vibanzi in this page. Okay.
Didn't we have those earlier?
Sin is right here.
Ow!
What is sin?
Oh, wait, that's sin right there. So that means it's kosa. Okay.
Kosa is a mistake. Sin is what?
Zombie.
Thambi. Good job. And it's Thambi of DH. Look at the word how it's spelled. It's that Thambi. Okay? Alright, what is mistake or mistakes?
Makosa.
Kosa
is mistake. Makosa is mistakes.
Good job. What is blessing?
Baraka.
Baraka. What is forgive?
Msamaha.
Samehe. But pardon, or if somebody has been forgiven, that is msamaha. What is sign? Remember the way Baba was describing sign? Remember how Baba was describing the sign? No? Okay. Gojea kidogo. Samahani. Samahani means?
Sorry.
Excuse me.
No. I thought it was I'm sorry.
It's also I'm sorry. Yeah, it's kind of also I'm sorry, and it's also excuse me. All right, so we were at sign. What is sign in Swahili? Ishara. What is sign? Ishara. How do you demonstrate a sign? Do you remember how Baba did the sign?
Oh.
That's a sign that
I'm gonna punch you in the face.
Right? So sign or another sign is kwa jina la Baba, right? That's why we say Alright. Which brings me to the next word. What is cross? We already said makosa.
First letter.
What was makosa? Makosa was mistake.
First letter.
Msalaba. That's a cross. Alright, what's rosary? Rosary, good job. What is baptism?
Eucharisti. Baptizo. Ubatizo.
Very good. What is life?
Uzima.
Life is
Uzima.
Good job. This is the one that you guys don't like to say. What is death?
Kifa.
What's death?
Kifo.
Right here. It's with an O. Alright? What is resurrection? Ufufuo or ufufuko. Good job. What is body?
Mwili.
When we say mwili wake Bwana, we mean?
I don't know.
Mwili
Body of
wake
Christ.
Bwana. Very good. Alright. And what about
wait, why
Eucharist?
Why you say Eucharisti? Wait, you said Eucharisti. What did you just say? I said
Body of Christ. No, body of Christ.
I said mwili. What is body of Christ in Swahili?
Body of Christ, mwili wa Bwana. Remember, we talk about the three in one. Bwana is God.
But okay. No.
Mwili wa Kristo, mwili wa Bwana, they all mean the same thing. Moving on. All right. So, what is so we talked about body is mwili. What about Eucharist? Eucharisti. Good job. What is Catholic?
Katoliki.
Huh? Katoliki or Catholic? Katoliki. Good job. What is kingdom?
Ufalme. I remember that.
Ufalme. And king is?
Mfalme.
Very good. What is amen in Swahili? What is amen?
Amina.
Amina. What is glory?
Glory to God in the highest. Glory, 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 glory. Glory, glory. Milele. Oh no. Utukufu.
What is glory?
Utukufu.
Glory is?
Utukufu.
Okay, what is forever?
Milele. Simba.
What is
Uwezo.
okay, what is praise or reputation?
Sifa.
Okay, what is ability or capacity?
Uwezo.
What is mystery?
Fumbo or siri.
Fumbo or siri? What is charity, alms or sacrifice?
Sadaka.
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 All right.
Sadaka.
You know, the next time I'm gonna ask you now in Swahili and you're gonna tell me what they are in English, right?
Oh no.
Right? You know, wacha kufanya video. I like it. Tumaliza video juu it's 11 minutes. Okay, we will wrap it up. So next time I'm gonna ask you the words in Swahili and you're gonna answer what they are in English. Deal?
I'll be lost.
What is Mungu?
God.
Right. So that's what we're gonna be doing next time. All right. Asanteni sana, fresh kids. Let's keep practicing. Pause the video. Go back. Review those words. Again, this is dedicated to the Kenyan Catholic community and friends, kids in Boston and everywhere. All right.
Fresh bro 8 out. Fresh bro 11 out. Fresh mama. Fresh bro 11.